Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a lo-fi animation using AI. So first of all, open up your browser. So the image generator that we're going to be using is Leonardo AI. So we're just going to go to the website, Leonardo AI, hit enter, go to the website. Now once you're here, click on get started. Now once you're here, click on image generation right here. Now once you're here, we're gonna adjust some settings. For example, the model I will be using is this one right here, Illustrative Albedo. And you can also try out other models so you can get the best result or the pictures that you like. And I'm going with this one, Illustrative Albedo. And I have set my preset style to illustration. You can try out others as well to get the desired result. And make sure that the image generated is in 16 to 9. Now after we're done with the settings, we're gonna type in a prompt right here. So here I have gotten myself a prompt from ChatGPT. You can do the same or you can copy my prompt if you like. Just copy this prompt and go back to Leonardo and just paste in your prompt right here. And after that, just hit generate. So here are the 4 pictures generated. And I'm not gonna lie, all 4 of them look spectacular. But I quite like this one right here. Now, if you don't like any of your generations, just simply scroll up. Now, here you can play with your prompt to get a different type of image, or you can simply hit generate and it will create a different type of image with some different styles in it. As I have gotten my picture, so just hover your mouse over it and click on download image right here. After that, just save that image. I'm just going to hit it for save. And that picture has been downloaded. Now the next thing that you have to do is to go to leapix.ai. Leai pix.ai. Hit enter. So here is the website. Just click on it. Now once you're here, click on this upload button right here and upload the generated photo. Like this picture. Just click on it and click on open. Now in here, we're gonna animate our generated picture a bit. Now in the animation style right here, you can choose from different styles. For example, the direction the camera will move in. For example, vertical, horizontal, circle, perspective. I quite like the perspective one, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. And you can also create your custom camera movement by just clicking on this custom button right here. Now scroll down and come to this amount of motion window right here. Just click on it and try to reduce the motion as much as possible so we have a bit of a stable video and not that much motion in the video. You can reduce the amount of motion if you like. For example, I'm just gonna move it to, let's say, 15-16%, so that's pretty good. Now if you move the motion very much, you can see there's just too much wiggling around and the picture will be distorted, so I don't recommend that. So just keep it below 20 or 20 if you want. Now after that, click on this animation length window right here and open it up. Now I suggest that you make it 10 seconds so that the animation moves slower as well. For example, if I take it to, let's say, 2 seconds, look how fast it moves. So it doesn't look that good. So just keep it at 10. That's the maximum you can get, and that will be the best results. Now you can also adjust the focus point, the edge dilation, and the depth map right here. Now the last thing that I'm gonna do is just increase the amount of motion as the video barely moves. So let's say 20 would be a good option. Now, if you're done with your video, just click on this export button right here. You can adjust the number of repetitions from here. I'm just gonna keep it at, let's say, 2. After that, hit next. Now in here, it will give you two options, limited export and premium export. Now to get premium export, you will have to spend your tokens. They will give you 100 free tokens so you can get two premium exports for free. I'm just going to choose this one right here. And after that, just scroll down and click on export. And after that, just save it. So our animation has been downloaded. Now after that, open up a video editor of your choice. I have opened Microsoft Clipchamp as it's available for free in Windows. Now import your video and just add it to the timeline. Now what you can do to increase the length to match your music is that just right click on it and click on duplicate. It will give you the same video again. Click on duplicate again and you can make a longer video according to your needs and desires. Now after that, upload your music, match it to the video and just export it and you've got your lo-fi animation. So that's pretty much it and hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.